Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to have some fun with a live-action tutorial where we'll be drawing Tomkenny's face. But here's the twist, we'll only be using a sponge head outline. So, let's dive right in and see how it all turns out. Alright, folks, here's what we're working with. We have a blank canvas in front of us, a sponge head outline. The goal? To bring Tomkenny's face to life. Now, you might all know that Tomkenny is the voice of SpongeBob SquarePants. So, let's get started on this project and see how realistic we can make it. As you can see, I'm starting with the eyes and working my way out. It might seem like a slow process, but trust me, it will come together soon enough. And there you have it. Here is our version of Tomkenny's face using just a sponge head outline. What do you think? Pretty impressive, right? Thanks for joining me on this fun and creative journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support, but also don't forget to check my other video. We hit 2K likes on the Eminem video. That's amazing, thank you. We are only on 79 subscribers, and with only 1,700 subscribers on TikTok, let's keep reaching for the sky. We got this.